Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Practical English Podcast. I'm Emily, and I'm really happy you're here with us again.
And I'm Mark. Today's topic is something we talk about all the time in real life. Your weekend. We'll help you practice using simple past tense in an easy, natural way.
Yes, and remember, this is beginner friendly. You don't need difficult grammar, just simple past verbs like went, ate, watched, visited, relaxed.
Yes, nothing scary. No big grammar book today. Just real conversation.
So, Mark, how was your weekend?
Hmm. My weekend was good. On Saturday, I woke up late around 9 a.m. I felt very happy because I usually wake up early on weekdays.
Same. Weekend mornings feel like little holidays.
Exactly. And after I woke up, I made coffee, and then I went for a short walk in the park near my house. The weather was cool and quiet.
That sounds peaceful.
It was. What about you, Emily? What did you do on Saturday?
On Saturday morning, I cleaned my apartment just a little. I washed the dishes, swept the floor, and opened all the windows. I love fresh air.
You cleaned on a weekend.
Only a little. I promise.
Okay.
After that, I met my friend at a cafe. We drank hot chocolate and talked for almost 2 hours.
Oh, what did you talk about?
Everything: work, family, funny memories, and also shopping. She bought new shoes last week, so she showed me pictures.
Classic weekend conversation.
Yes, simple and fun.
You know, many English learners want to talk about their weekend, but they feel nervous about using past tense.
Yes, but it doesn't have to be complicated. For example, instead of I was going to the park, you can just say I went to the park.
Simple, clean, easy.
Mark, what did you do Saturday afternoon?
Oh, yeah. Saturday afternoon, I watched a movie at home. A comedy. I laughed a lot.
Nice. I love comedy movies.
After the movie, I cooked dinner. Pasta with tomato sauce.
Yum! Pasta is a weekend favorite.
Yes. And after dinner, I played guitar for a while. Not very well, but it made me happy.
That sounds like a perfect Saturday.
What about you, Emily? What did you do Saturday night?
Saturday night, I stayed home. I lit a candle, turned on some soft music, and read a book.
Cozy night. Very Emily.
You know me well.
And that's the wonderful thing. Weekends don't need to be busy. Simple moments are nice too.
Yes, and simple moments are easy to talk about in English.
Should we move on to Sunday?
Yes, but let's continue that in part 2, where we'll talk about Sunday activities and more past tense examples.
And we'll show you how to connect your ideas using simple words like then after that, and finally.
So take a deep breath, relax, and join us in part 2.
Welcome back, everyone. In part 1, we talked about Saturday. Slow mornings, cleaning, cafes, movies, all the good weekend things. Now, let's move to Sunday, the second half of the weekend.
Yes, Sunday always feels different. Sometimes peaceful, sometimes busy, sometimes just lazy.
Very lazy sometimes. So, Emily, what did you do on Sunday?
On Sunday morning, I woke up early, actually. I don't know why. Maybe the sunlight was too bright?
The sun said, Emily, wake up.
Exactly. After I woke up, I made breakfast, eggs, toast, and tea. Very simple.
Did you go anywhere?
Yes. After breakfast, I went to the supermarket. I bought vegetables, fruit, and some snacks for the week.
Classic Sunday morning.
Yes. And then I went home, cleaned the fridge, and organized my groceries.
So much cleaning.
I know. Weekends make me feel productive.
Okay, let me share my Sunday. On Sunday morning, I visited my parents.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes, I had breakfast with them. My mom made pancakes, and I ate too many.
Weekend calories don't count.
I agree. After breakfast, I helped my dad fix the garden fence. It was a little broken.
So you did some weekend exercise.
Yes, a free workout.
After my supermarket trip, I relaxed for a bit. I lay on the sofa, listened to music, and scrolled my phone. You know, classic Sunday behavior.
Very classic.
Sunday afternoon, I met another friend for a walk in the park. We talked, laughed, and took photos of the trees.
That sounds peaceful.
It really was.
On Sunday afternoon, I actually did laundry. I washed my clothes, folded them, and put everything away.
Wow, we both had a very responsible Sunday.
Yes, adult life.
So, what did you do on Sunday evening?
Sunday evening, I cooked soup and watched a drama series. I relaxed on the sofa until around 10 p.m. Then I went to bed early.
Sounds perfect.
And you?
Sunday evening, I prepared my schedule for the week. I wrote my to-do list, checked my calendar, and planned my meals.
Very organized.
I try. And after that, I took a warm shower, put on my pajamas, and watched a little YouTube before bed.
Sunday nights always have a special feeling. Quiet, calm, soft.
Yes, like a small goodbye to the weekend.
Before we end this part, let's help our listeners with connecting words that make weekend stories easier.
Yes. Here are simple words you can use. First, then. After that. Later. Finally.
And example. First, I woke up. Then I ate breakfast. After that, I went to the supermarket. Later, I met my friend. Finally, I went home and relaxed.
Easy, natural, and perfect for beginners. Part 3 will help you talk about feelings, how your weekend made you feel, and how to ask others about their weekend using simple past tense. Yes, feelings, reactions, and natural questions. Super useful for everyday conversation. Welcome back, everyone. We're now in the final part of today's episode. In part 1, we talked about Saturday. In part 2, we shared Sunday activities. And now, in part 3, we'll talk about feelings, reactions, and how to ask someone about their weekend in natural, easy English.
Yes, because weekends aren't just about activities. They're also about how those activities made you feel. Relaxed, tired, happy, excited, or maybe even a little stressed.
Mark, how did your weekend make you feel overall?
Honestly, my weekend made me feel calm. I visited my parents, ate good food, and had slow moments. I felt peaceful.
That sounds lovely.
And how about you, Emily? How did you feel?
Let me see. My weekend made me feel happy and refreshed. I cleaned, organized, talked with friends, walked in the park. All simple things, but they gave me energy.
I love that. Sometimes simple weekends are the best.
Yes, and they're easy to talk about in English.
Now, let's help our listeners talk about their feelings too. Here are some simple past tense feeling sentences. I felt relaxed. I felt tired. I felt excited. I felt happy. I felt stressed. I felt bored.
And if you want something more expressive, you can say, my weekend was amazing. My weekend was peaceful. My weekend was very busy. My weekend was boring. My weekend was beautiful.
Yes, beautiful weekend is my favorite expression. Very poetic.
Same.
Asking others about their weekend. Okay, Emily, let's teach our listeners how to ask someone about their weekend.
Sure. Here are simple questions. How was your weekend? What did you do on Saturday? What did you do yesterday? Did you go anywhere? Did you relax at home? Did you meet anyone?
All of these are perfect for A1, A2 learners.
And when you answer, remember to keep it simple. Short sentences are okay. I went to the park. I visited my family. I cooked at home. I watched a movie. I slept a lot.
That last one is a very common weekend verb. I slept a lot.
Yes, everyone loves weekend sleep.
When someone tells you about their weekend, you need to react naturally. Here are simple reaction phrases. Oh, really? That's nice. Sounds fun. Wow, that's cool. Oh, I see. That must have been relaxing.
These phrases make your conversation feel warm and natural, not robotic.
Let's do a short example conversation. Mini weekend dialogue. Shadowing practice.
How was your weekend?
It was good. I visited my parents.
That's nice. What did you do there?
We had breakfast together. My mom made pancakes.
Lucky you. That sounds delicious. See? Simple, slow, and natural.
And it's perfect for shadowing practice.
Connecting events for longer storytelling. If you want to tell a longer weekend story, use connecting words. First. Then. After that. Later. Finally.
For example, first, I cleaned my room. Then, I met a friend for coffee. After that, we walked in the park. Later, I went home and watched a movie. Finally, I slept early.
Very clear. Very easy to follow.
Before we finish, let's remind everyone that talking about your weekend is one of the easiest ways to practice simple past tense.
Yes, your weekend stories don't need to be exciting. Even normal moments are perfect for English conversation.
And remember, English is not about being perfect. It's about communicating.
So speak slowly, breathe, and enjoy the process.
Thank you for joining us today.
We hope you enjoyed talking about your weekend with us.
And we'll see you again in the next episode of the Learning Slow English podcast.
Have a beautiful week ahead.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.